Yeah, so Toxchem is a software that is now being utilized much more often to calculate emissions from wastewater for industrial clients, largely refineries and chemical plants. We've been doing a lot of Toxchem projects recently, and the benefits for this have been people are getting rid of their old Water 9 models or AP42 emission factors where they had very, very little confidence in the numbers that they were spitting out. So now as we're transitioning clients to Toxchem, they're having a great deal more comfort in the emissions that are being estimated. In addition, we're actually seeing a large reduction in emissions for almost all of our clients as a result of using Toxchem. So it's been a benefit because now they have a model that's much more comprehensive. They've got a model that they understand that has a very good visual graphic, and to top it all off, they're showing lower VOC actual emissions as a result of converting over to Toxchem. Now, the typical process for us when we're working through a Toxchem conversion, we would utilize someone's existing Water 9 model or AP42 emission factors and convert that over to Toxchem. That's the first step in a process. There generally will be 2-3 iterations where not only do we take your Water 9 or AP42 data, we'll request additional data that Toxchem can handle. For example, total suspended solids, oil and grease data. With all that information, again, a couple of rounds back and forth where we iron out any differences in what the Toxchem model should look like versus what the actual wastewater system has in place. And then we'll be able to finalize those emissions and provide a very good comparison of Water 9 or AP42 versus Toxchem, so that we truly understand where the emission reductions are being shown in the models. And as an EPA approved software, Toxchem has been widely accepted at each of the states, or obviously the EPA as well. So if you wanted to know more about Toxchem, please feel free to contact us. There's a number of individuals here at Sage that are knowledgeable about it, and even if someone hasn't worked with it before, they certainly know who they should get in touch with in order to answer your questions.